And finally, we have export tables. You can export this table into a Excel sheet or into a text file. That is possible in MATLAB. You can export it into a right table of, so whichever table you want to export and the file name you can give. So which of the following commands are used to export? So I think it is 1 and 4, 1 and 3. So here you give the file name as XLS file. Here you give the file name as txt file, and we are going to export this heart rate table. Okay. You can use the command using write table also. That is what is loaded here. So to write the contents of the EPL to a CSV variable named this. So I'll be using the write table command. See here, the write table command. Write table of this EPL into this name. So that I'm giving this name exactly. Yes. Now same thing into this text file. So this text, the name is only different. I'm going to copy this and I'm going to copy this text file name. Now if I submit, yes, answers are, is the file tab delimited? I think you have to use a semicolon. Is delimited means you have to give a delimiter /t. That should be given extra. Tab is the delimiter. You know that any file will have a delimiter as a tab. Tab is the delimiter. Now you see it is correct. We have finished. This is the summary. And project, we are not going to do this project. It is very simple. So it is tallest building exercise. This project, I'm going to skip it. The flowers data, you can log in into MATLAB website and do it. It is very simple. And gasoline price, the usual projects will get right. So we have completed this. Tomorrow we don't have this course. We are going to meet again on Monday.